Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we got a special Pokemon treasure packed with some action. So we're gonna get into this one. My first time opening this cool looking lunchbox Pokemon treasure pack here. So it says it right here, packed with Pokemon treasure, three foil cards featuring Grookey, Scorbunny, and Sabo. So 5 Pokemon TCG booster packs and much more. So that's kind of like the front of the pack here. So yeah, Silas, we got 2 more, right? So we're gonna open these as well. So today is a 10 action. So let's get into some action 10 opening here for you guys, and hopefully we get something amazing. My last time off of this 10, I was able to pull a Charizard, so that was pretty cool. Let's go with this one first. Alright, this is the Sylveon Gx. Nice little pretty 10 here. I was able to pull a Charizard from the XY Evolution, so that was pretty amazing. It was just, unfortunately, it was just off camera, but hopefully today that will happen again. So let's go at it. I actually really enjoy opening 10. I don't know about you guys, but you know, it's been fun. Yesterday I was able to pull a Lapras Rainbow VMAX, so that was pretty cool. A Snorlax VMAX. Some of the coolest cards I've ever seen, and they were just beautiful. So this 10 is beautiful as well. The previous one I got before, my first time, it was all chewed up and was all bent, but this one looks pretty straight. So my last one was really bent, heavy on this side, but overall a really nice, pretty card here. So yeah, let's set this one to the side. Okay. All right, and we'll get into the what's inside the tin, and of course your cold card. All right. Okay, so we have 1 Crimson Invasion, a Burning Shadow, 1 Sun and Moon, and yes, an XY Evolutions. And I've been having so much fun with these, so definitely really enjoy opening this one here too. So gonna have it here. Alright, so we'll just kind of go down the line here. Save the XY for last. Alright, so let's have some fun. Here we go. This is your cold card. Alright. 3, 4. Okay, what's show energy? Fire. Good looking fire here. Okay. I'm just gonna go kind of quick here so that you guys get a glimpse of the card and really move on to the holo here. And a switch trainer reverse, and for our finale, ooh, that's a good looking crocodile. Nice holo there. That's a nice one. Okay. Alright, so going to the Crimson Invasion. You know, after naming my son Crimson, I didn't even know that there was a such thing named Crimson Invasion by Pokemon. So I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. What's your energy? Water. Oh, fighting. Okay. Psychic Memory. That's a cool looking card. Tonight's just a good night to just relax and enjoy some Pokemon. Alright. I've actually never seen this card before myself, so Komo-o. Nice card. Alright. Burning Shadows. Here we go. Burning Shadows. Alright. Okay, code card. What's your energy? Electric. Right on. Charmeleon. Okay. Hey, Charmander. Actually got a Charmander today from McDonald's when Silas and I, we went to McDonald's today, so cool. I think the 25th anniversary Pokemon is going to be something in the future, so definitely going to enjoy collecting those. Alright, Persian. Okay. And on to our last. So far, nothing spectacular. But we are going to open this XY evolution. So here we go, yo. Are you ready? Here we go. Alright. Energy, or not energy, cold card. Okay. 3 to the front. Okay. Misty Determination. Revive. Haunter. Energy. Caterpie. Ghastly. Diglett. Okay. And we got a break. Got a Starmie break. I wonder what's behind it. I'm a little nervous, yo. I'm a little nervous. Here we go. And my first Mewtwo. Non-hollow. Centering is pretty good. Okay, so not bad. Set this to the side. So Mewtwo, nothing on that 10. But don't worry, we got another one. And we're going to eventually work our way to Big Daddy. So, let's go. Alright. Okay. Alright. This one's kind of beat up. So these, I'm recognizing that these 10, the promo card tends to come out kind of impacted somehow by the packaging, so it's kind of warped, as you can see here. So not too cool, but I'll set this one to the side. We'll jump into the rest of the cards here. Cold card, same thing here. Crimson Invasion, your Burning Shadows, and your Sun and Moon, and your XY. Here we go. Alright. Cold card. Alright. Energy. Go Bat. Ooh, look at that reverse Growlithe. Fancy. Okay. These two tins are primarily green cards, so that's interesting. Oh, interesting card. Cubone. Alright, Grumpig. Alright. So far nothing amazing. Let's go ahead to Burning Shadows. Another green cold. Alright guys. Let's keep going. Noctowl. Sneasel. Alright. So again, nothing amazing yet from the pull here except the Mewtwo non-hollow and this Break Start Me. So set this here, and our last Evolution XY here with the Raichu in front. So this is our second one. Okay. Alright. Here's your cold card. 3 to the front. Here we go. Another start with messy determination. Okay. Revive. Nidorino. Magikarp. Ghastly. Been getting a lot of Ghastly lately. Okay, I got this card before. Switch. And our finale is... Ooh, wow. I've never seen this card before. A PGI EX. Have you guys seen this card before? It's a nice, good looking card. A little scuff here. But I'm just intrigued by this card. The design. Yeah, the camera's picking it up right now. You kind of see this design. Interesting. I like this card. Let's leave this one up right away. Let's just do it this way. Yeah, it's a good looking card. Pidgey is actually one of my first time favorite Pokemon, you know, growing up. In the very few early Pokemon episode with Ash Ketchum, so I have some good memory with Pidgey, so I really like this Pokemon. I think this is a beautiful card here, so adding this to the binder. Alright, so far we got these three, and we're now gonna shift gears to the big boy here, so hang on back, don't go yet, and we're gonna enjoy opening this one for the very, very first time for myself and for this channel. So here we go. Set this to the side. There's a fancy handle, nice little lock there, so kind of reminds me of a school lunch box. Really cool. I never owned a lunchbox before going to school, so this is my first time kind of somewhat having a lunchbox for myself. Lunchbox. Alright. Moment of truth. I'm pulling the big one here. Alright. It says it's a treasure pack, so fancy. Would you look at that? And the lid stays. It doesn't just pop off like your regular tin, so really neat. Really, really neat. Got the holographic Score Bunny. Look at that. I like the orbital holographic there in the background. I really like that design. So it's actually my first time owning these three cards holographic. It's actually really neatly packed here, so I'm enjoying that. And your token or your coin, whatever you want to call it. Very neat. You see that shine right there. So we'll set these guys to the side, and we're gonna go into the pack. So we have a Sword and Shield, so 5 packs total according to the description up front. So Crimson Invasion and Burning Shadows and another evolution. Okay, let's do this. Cold car. Let's see what's underneath. Fancy. Oh, stickers. Okay, a couple stickers for us to enjoy. Yeah, Silas would enjoy this. That's neat. Okay, a lot of stickers. Zakian. Oh, like a little notepad as well. Okay. A little notepad to do some artwork or putting the stickers on. So That's really neat. And even a little binder. Mini binder. That's fancy. Cool. Alright. Beautiful tin here. I'm gonna set it to the side. And we're gonna go into the packs here. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. Code card for you. What's your energy? Let's say fighting. Oh man, I can never guess grass. I was close. Sort of. Quick ball. Another Pikachu. I like this card. Meowth. Wooloo. Ooh, Sea King. I haven't seen you in a long time. Oh, look at this Lapras. The drawing of it, the artwork of it is amazing. Astounding. Okay. Another Sword and Shield. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I was gonna say electric. Yampers everywhere. Okay. Alright guys, Crimson Evasion time. Let's go. Alright, another green card here, so not looking too strong here. But we'll go quick on this one. Kakuna. Alright, Registeel. Okay. Okay, 2 packs left for you guys. Let's go with the Burning Shadows. I have a feeling XY is going to come through. Another green, so mainly. Oh, look at this one. Where did I do that? That's weird. Fire. Oh, fighting. I said fire. Darn it. Okay. Okay. Nothing from that pack, so guys, we are left with 1 pack left. 1 pack left. So we're gonna go for it. Here we go. Last pack for today. And it's a green card, so we'll see if we get something amazing. You just never know. You just never know. Metapod. Onyx. Okay. And our last one. Arcanine. Alright. So just this one, the reverse hollow. And so overall recap, what I thought was pretty amazing is the one that we have here. I think these are pretty slick as well, along with the promo cards with the evolution. So yeah, that's all we have for today. Until next time, we will go at it again, and hopefully next time we'll pull something really amazing like that Charizard again off of 10 too. So definitely gonna keep opening 10s. I always enjoy that with myself, just finding myself opening 10s. There's nothing wrong with that. I still get some pretty good luck out of it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you soon.